Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. Happy Valentine's Day or happy belated Valentine's Day, depending on when you're watching this. I hope you had a wonderful one. As you can see here, I'm going to be unboxing the Winter Love collection from e.l.f. Beads. There are some beautiful beads, actually really stunning beads in this release, and I'm so excited to share them with you. I'm also going to be sharing 2 Valentine's Day themed charm bracelet designs, incorporating some of the new beads onto here, as well as some other e.l.f. beads in my collection. Very excited to share these designs with you. These were the bracelets I wore on Valentine's Day, and they stacked so beautifully together. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage, and let's head on over to today's video. There are 4 Murano glass beads in the beautiful new collection, and aren't they perfect for Valentine's Day? Each one has some beautiful heart details on them, and they look so magical. My favorite is Winter Hearts. It's this creamy ivory with golden sparkle, and then you have the red heart cubic zirconias going around it. It's just so sweet and beautiful. Definitely want to get a second one of them. We also have Love Starlight. It is really pretty too, and a runner-up for me. Look at those little hearts. I bet that is so hard to do. Like how they just add that detail and the dimension on it is beautiful. There's also True Love, which you got that beautiful red like heart going through it, and then the core has like this kind of purpley blue color to it. And it matches really nicely with Passion, which is the last Murano glass bead, and it has those big bubble like detailed hearts right on the top of the glass. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. It really lifts my spirits, and I think it would be a great centerpiece. I didn't end up designing with this one. I have some other designs in mind, which I'm going to play around with in a bit. Moving into the silver beads, we first have Frog Adventure, and isn't he darling? It's this little tiny frog with a bow tie hanging on a quest in this boat, and this boat makes me think of a paper boat that he might have built himself. And there's a little heart on the side kind of detail. It's so sweet. This is designed by Myra in our community. I'll leave a link on where to find her blog and Instagram down below. Here are some more views of the ship so you can see that heart detail I mentioned earlier. And oh, it's so sweet. Even the bottom has some cute details to it. And the bail is so gorgeous. I love how the bail turned out. It is so pretty. And it just like, it looks so pretty on the bracelet. Just add some beautiful detail to it. Love the little details on it. And then the inside of the boat, if you look here, it has such beautiful dimensions. So like I mentioned earlier, it looks like a paper boat to me. You can see the folds and everything. I love that you can see the frog. He's hanging on to the boat. You can see that detail there. It is just so darling and precious. And I'm so happy to have the opportunity to review it for you guys. So sweet. Now moving along is Icebird. And Icebird is exquisite. It is such a special bead. It's a beautiful size bead too. She is just stunning with her wings wide open, so confident and beautiful. This was also designed by Myra, which I love. She is so talented. The eye details are so pretty. The little beak, the feathers on the chest and on the wing, the details are so stunning. And you can see even like in a little bit where her feet kind of go and twine around. It's just amazing. And this bead is inspired by the top of an icy mountain where you can find these ice birds, the spreaders of winter elegance and many blessings for the new year. Here's a look at the back detailing, and I'm sure you can see there is a stopper at the back, which means that it stays stationary on your bracelet, and it can even hold some of the glass beads together, which I'll show you in just a minute. It is a wonderful bead. It is a statement piece. It really pops out on your bracelet. And I love that it adds like this unique element to Murano glass beads. You can show the beautiful detail of her wings, but depending on how you move, you can see parts and little bits of glass through it. And I just love that. Next, we have Gem Dragon, also designed by the very talented Myra. This dragon is so detailed. Every angle of it, it is just so beautiful. Amazing quality. The sterling silver has a lovely weight to it. The little details, as mentioned, are beautiful. And here's a description of it. The arrival of the winter season calls for hibernation, a time where our gem dragon likes to surround himself with certain powerful stones, crystals, and minerals. It is the only way he can unleash the negative energies built up in his body through his skin and scales of unbreakable precious stone into his surroundings. Afterwards, he will absorb all positive energies to fully complete his cleansing and recharging ritual. He will make a wonderful centerpiece on your bracelet, but I also think he'd complement other charms too beautifully. I love him and I cannot wait to design with him. So here's a quick overview of all the beads in Elf Beads' new collection, Winter Love. And now let's head over to the design with me portion of this video. I'm going to design 2 Valentine's Day themed bracelets incorporating some of the new beads I just showed, as well as other elf beads in my collection. I played around with a couple different charms on the bangle design, took some off and kind of reorganized, and ultimately came up with a design I like. Stay tuned, I'll show it in just a second. Then I played around with more of like a rose, pink kind of Valentine's Day theme, kind of thinking of like a garden in the winter, or even like getting flowers in the winter, you know, during Valentine's Day here in Canada. And here's the finished result of the 2 bracelets, and I think they look so beautiful stacked together. I love the silver. Now with the little frog, adventure frog, I put the wave spacers there. I thought that would look really neat with the boat. I love how this looks. Now on the bangle, you can see the little heart details. I also added the teapot nest. This bead is so lovely. It's newer in my collection. I love the details. You can see it has a little hidden heart too up at the top with a little bird's nest inside. So sweet. I also have the eternity roses. I use that to complement the dragon. I thought it looked so good. There's also Mrs. Tomte, the little gnome. She's one of my favorites. I use her in so many of my elf beads designs. I just love her. We have the dragon there. You can see a little close-up of some of the more floral beads that I picked out. I think they look really pretty. And here they are. Like, I am just so happy. This is what I wore for Valentine's Day. If you follow me on Instagram at Fashion Storyteller, if you watch my YouTube shorts, I did do a get ready with me design kind of fun video where I showed all the jewelry I was wearing, including these 2 elf beads. A huge thank you to Elf Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, as well as to this community, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you. So thank you so much. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day. I hope you had a great Valentine's Day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.